Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So copper water bottles, of course they are beautiful and it's very healthy to drink in copper water bottles, but when it comes to the cleaning part, not so easy, is it? Not anymore. I'm going to show you the quick and easiest way to clean copper water bottles, and your water bottle is going to look like a brand new sparkling beautiful bottle once again. So let's go. So you can see this copper vessel. It's blackened all over. See, it has got oxidized. You can see the inside also. It's really blackened inside out. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this copper bottle. So first you need some lemon juice. So I've taken half a lemon. Then we need salt. Used is grain salt. So it's coarse and it's easy to scrub. So use this kind of salt. Don't use the table salt, powdered salt. Use this one so you can scrub it off easily. Okay. So first we will add lemon juice. Just add some water and we'll add some lemon juice. Use this lemon to scrub it all over. Just apply this lemon juice all over the bottle. Scrub the lid also. Okay. Scrub, you can see the difference. Have some lemon juice. As you scrub, you can see the difference, right? The change of color you can see. That is not enough. We want it shinier than this. So we will just leave it on for 5 minutes. So we have allowed enough time for the lemon juice to react with the metal. So now take this empty zest of lemon and add salt. Just add salt into it. You can scrub it with this so that you don't hurt your hands. So it's really harmless, otherwise you might hurt your hands. Just add some water. Okay. So, can you see the color changing? Can you see it? See? Can you see it? So now we'll scrub the inside. Completely shiny clean. You see the difference? And we'll scrub the inside. So what I wanted to tell you is it's always better to buy a copper jug with a wide mouth so that you can put your hand inside and clean. So if you buy a copper jar with a narrow mouth, then it's very difficult to clean. You will not be able to see the inside. And even if you put your brush inside, you won't be able to clean it properly. So it's important to always buy a wide mouth bottle in which you can put your hand inside. Let me scrub. Clean the bottom thoroughly first. and then clean the walls so that the salt particles don't hurt your hand. And you can scrub the outside also. So it becomes really shiny. Can you see? So that's it. Now we will wash it. Okay. Wash it thoroughly. So can you see? It's really squeaky clean.
So if you found my video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. That helps my channel grow and give more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.